It's gonna rain a lot, it's spring and summer coming, so that means you gotta get your skylights checked. But that doesn't mean that you always have to replace your skylights. So here's my 3 tips for you to ensure that your skylights really do last a long time on your roofing system. The first one is clean those skylights out. Clean those frames inside and out. Make sure you're looking at the glass. Why? Well, it's gonna tell you a lot. The first thing it's gonna tell you is if there's any cracks or sealant that has come loose. And if it is, it's time to call a contractor to either reseal the skylight frame or replace the flashing kit. The next thing it's gonna tell you is if there's any water coming in. Oftentimes we see that when homeowners really clean those skylights out, they find out that there's some water intrusions on the seams. So that's another one, check those skylights. And the last, well, it's if that skylight's CO2 glass is really foggy, that's gonna tell you that the skylight has actually failed and it's time to replace it. When you clean the glass, it's the only time that you can tell if the glass is foggy. So again, clean the glass, check the flashings and the sealants, check for leaks, and most importantly, check if the skylight has actually failed.